Do Oklahoma family courts have a preference or predisposition to giving physical custody to moms? Fortunately, the answer to this question is no. In Oklahoma, the courts look at what is in the best interest of the child. In some circumstances, that warrants custody to the mother. In some other circumstances, that warrants custody to the father. There are a number of factors that the court will look at in making a determination on what is in the best interest of the child for physical custody. There is not a presumption for mom, and there is not a presumption against dads. A number of the factors that the court will look at is the stability of the home. Can the mother or the father, both or only one, provide a stable environment for the nurturing and health of the children? Second question the court will look at is the schedule of the parties. Does one party have the ability and the other ability or inability to be available for the children, whether it's a work schedule conflict or other requirements in their daily life? Also, the court will look at determining whether there's history of domestic violence. If there's a history or an instance of domestic violence in Oklahoma, there's a presumption against granting physical custody to that individual, at least until the issue has been resolved. Also, the court will look at whether both parties are involved in the child's life, whether they are temporarily involved or historically have been participating in activities for the children, as well as whether they participate in school, participate in their education, participate in their extracurricular activities. Another very important factor is the parent's ability to provide a number of things to the child. Can each parent or the parent that we are representing provide a stable home for the child? Have they set up, if they are the parent leaving the marital home, a room, food, toys, other necessary items for the child or children that are part of the divorce? Can the parent provide a safe environment? Or is one party going to be moving back and forth between multiple residences? Do they not have a stable home that they've established for the purposes of having a place for their child to go and visit? Also, has the parent been able to provide a schedule or layout factors to indicate that they will be able to provide everything that the child needs? If you have not been the primary caretaker for your minor child, that by itself does not mean that you cannot be awarded equal or potentially even sole physical custody of your child or children. What the court cares about is the best interest of the child. Can you demonstrate that despite going through this divorce process, you've established a safe home, you've established a place for your children to call home, you've presented with the court a family structure or a setup, a game plan, so to speak, that will allow you to provide everything that your minor child or minor children need. If you have questions about the issues of physical custody in the state of Oklahoma, we encourage you to visit our website, which is www.jpcannonlawfirm.com, or feel free to call us for more of your questions to be answered.